Good morning. Good morning, everybody. My name is Terza Andrews. I hope you're having a great morning. I'm coming on this morning to talk about the miseducation of success. So if you're viewing this live, thank you. Thank you for joining me this morning. For those of you that are viewing after the live, please take a moment to type in the comment section #replay. Again, good morning. My name is Terza Andrews, and it's my pleasure to be with you this morning. I wanted to talk to you again about the miseducation of success. Oftentimes, we go through life, we look at what other people are doing, we're focusing on their way of doing things, and your success is not based on the success of other people. When you succeed in life, hello, honey, how are you? Thank you for joining me. When you succeed in life, the most important thing for you to remember is your success is measured by your everything that you do, not based on what somebody else does. So take a moment today and think about that. When I used to drive the bus for CMS, I had a bus load of kids from pre-K all the way to high school students, the 12th grade. And some of the things that I taught them is to be good, better than their own personal best. Now, what does that mean? That means you do the best that you can with what you have, your talents, your gifts, and your abilities. And don't worry about what somebody else is doing, okay? Your success is predicated upon what you do, not what your friends do, not what your family members do, not what your coworkers do, none of that. You have to make sure that what you do, it sets well with you. Okay, your success is based on what you do today and every day thereafter. I've spoken several times about how I wanted to better myself. And a lot of times when you're trying to better yourself, people are looking at you, especially people from your past or the people that are familiar with you. They're looking at you based on your past life. They're looking at you based on some things that you've done, some things that you've said. Take a moment to apologize to those people. Hello, everyone. If I have hurt you or made you misunderstand me, I apologize. But the mere fact that I'm trying to live my life and because you misunderstand me doesn't mean necessarily that I'm wrong, because I'm doing the best I can with what I know. And what I know is that life gets better when you change, when you're willing to change, when you're willing to do the best that you can. That's success to me. My success is based on all the hard work that I put in. I've joined a beautiful platform that's teaching me how to love myself, brand myself, take care of myself, educate myself, engage with others, learn how to be a part of the lives of other people, being sincere about how I connect with them. I have a Strength and Honor women's group. And I tell you that the platform is working. It's working. There used to be no engagement on our Strength and Honor page. But we have engagement because I take the information that I'm learning from this amazing platform and I'm integrating into everything that I do. Now, do I miss the mark sometime? Yes. Will you miss the mark sometime? Yes. But you have to remember that you can't base your success on what other people think of you. It's all about what you think about you and the things that you do for you to better yourself. Hello, good morning. Thank you for joining me. I want you to know that the mere fact that you tuned in this morning, you have been misunderstood. People have talked about you and said things against you that isn't necessarily you. Sometimes I think it's Murphy's Law that says for every action, there is a reaction. And sometimes we don't think about how we're reacting towards people because we're in the heat of the moment. And we have to learn to focus on the things that we truly desire and allow. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We have to allow ourselves the patience and tenacity, meaning patience, to sit back observe ourselves, observe our actions, find out what it is that we truly want, and then learn to do something different. Because insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. We want results. And so with me and everyone that has joined me in this platform, we are seeking results every day. We're looking to succeed every day. And every day that we do what we're supposed to do by those step-by-step and ABC 1, 2, 3 methods, we're getting things done. We're changing. Somebody said to me, how can you inspire other people and you can't inspire your own family? Because there's a word that says that even in your camp, they will reject you. The people that are familiar with you are going to reject you. But that don't mean you're not successful. That doesn't mean that you can't succeed. Sometimes, like God told Abraham, you got to get away from your kindred so that I can bless you. So don't feel bad about all the negative energy that's coming in. You keep it positive. You keep saying those things that be not as though they were. You are a success. You're a success because it's based on the things that you're doing better every day. Everything that you do every day to make yourself successful, that's success. Even a turtle gets where it needs to be. Even a slug gets where it needs to be. You might be taking little steps, but every step that you take, you're getting closer and closer to your destiny. Okay? And then those small steps. If you read my post, you'll know that you've taken the best step of your life. So don't give up on you. That's my slogan. Don't ever give up on you. No matter what anybody thinks about you. You're good, better than your own personal best. And remember that everybody is somebody, including you. Have yourself a wonderful day. Know that you're the key to someone else's blessing. And Terza loves you. Okay? Have a great day. I bid you peace and love. And today is going to be the best day of your life because today you're taking one more step closer to your destiny. God bless you. Have a great day. See y'all later. Peace.